How are you everyone? Today we are going to know about the thermodynamics. So first comes the definition. By words, thermo means heat or temperature and dynamics is related to movement. So in general we can say that the movement of heat is known as thermodynamics. Thermodynamics deal with the familiar concept of heat and temperature. It is concerned with the interconversion of various forms of energy into one another. The applications of thermodynamics are numerous and subject to embraces such diverse areas as chemistry, physics, biology, equilibrium, and earth sciences. It is concerned with the description of a system under equilibrium and how the properties of a system change when it moves from one equilibrium to state to another. Thermodynamics can predict the feasibility of a process and the extent to which a process will proceed. Now, let us see some general terms of the thermodynamics which are important. First comes is the system. A place about which we study is known as system. It can be as simple as a gas contained in a closed vessel or as complicated as a rocket shooting towards moon. A system may be homogeneous or heterogeneous depending on its content and conditions. A system is homogeneous if physical properties and chemical compositions are identical throughout the system. Such a system is called a single phase system. A heterogeneous system consists of two or more than two phases separated by mechanical boundings. Now let us learn something from the diagram. If this is a system, this container is a system, so everything around it will known as surrounding, while the combination of system and surrounding is known as the universe. Now the another important term is surrounding. Everything around system which we don't study is known as surrounding. A system and surrounding are always separated by boundaries across which matter and energy may be exchanged. The boundaries can be real or imaginary. Now the third important term is universe. Everything which we whether study or not is known as system. So you can say universe, sorry, not system, it's universe. So universe is equal to system plus surrounding. Based on the exchange of matter and energy between the system and the surrounding, a system can be classified into three types. First comes the open system. Open system allow exchange of both matter and energy with its surrounding. It is most common type of system which we encountered in our daily life. All living things are example of open systems since these are capable of freely exchanging energy and matter with the surroundings. Reaction vessels with permeable membranes are example of open system. Now here comes the second closed system. It allows exchange of energy and surroundings, but matter is not allowed to leave the vessel. A properly sealed system can be considered as closed system in which only energy can go out but matter can't go out. Now here comes the third one, isolated system. In this, neither energy nor matter can exchange between system and surrounding. There is no perfectly isolated system but a system which is thermally isolated and is sealed to inflow or outflow of matter can be considered as an isolated system. A sealed thermoflask having some matter thus approximate to an isolated system. In this once I said a word permeable membrane. So what is permeable membrane? A thin soft layer of polymer or natural material through which a specific substance can flow is called a membrane permeable to that specific substance. Thank you.